What's up guys, my name is Andy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add grease to the steering box of your classic Mustang. Now this is something that you can do pretty easily with the motor out, like I've got here. In fact, it's really easy to do here, but really you can do it when the motor's in the car. And if you come around to this side over here and you're looking down, you're gonna have the headers right here. You can get to everything you need to get to on the steering box with the motor in the car. I'm just gonna take advantage of the fact that I've got the motor out. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is turn the steering wheel to one side. In my case, I'll just turn everything to the right, but I don't think it matters if you go right or left. So you can jack the car up or you can leave it on the ground. I don't think it's really gonna matter. It just makes it easier to turn the wheel if the car is up off the ground. So what we wanna do now is we're gonna use our grease gun, and this is just a standard, generic grease gun you can get at any, part store. And I'm gonna be using some, it's NLGI number 2 grease. It's what I've got here. I'm having a hard time finding the NLGI number 1 grease, so this number 2 will work fine. And what I want to do is we're going to take off this bolt right here on the top, which is towards the firewall, and then we're going to take off this filler cap. Now both 1/2-inch socket will work, and you might find that you have to get one of those little elbow pieces to kind of get to this one because it's kind of at a funky angle and the shock tower might be in the way. But again, you should be able to get both of those off, and this is where we're going to stick the filler neck of the grease gun. So you're going to want to put the end of the grease gun fitting inside the hole here, and the way this thing mine's set up, it's just size, it just fits right in there, which is great. We're going to want to watch for grease coming out of this hole. Now depending on how dry your steering box is, it may take several pumps, it may come out pretty fast. I don't know the status of my steering box, so we're going to go ahead and just start pumping and see what happens. We can just start to see it come out through this hole here. That's what we're looking for. And it has taken me quite a few pumps. I think I'm around 40 or 50 pumps. So I'm guessing my steering box was fairly empty. But we're starting to ooze out here, which is exactly what we're looking for. So this is a good place to stop. We're going to go ahead and wipe that off and take this out and clean that up. And we're going to put the bolt back in, the cap back in, then we're going to turn the steering wheel the other direction. All right, there it is. Coming out the other side, and that was a lot easier. I think maybe even 10 pumps on that side because the steering box is mostly full by now. So we'll go ahead and pull this out, clean this up, and put the bolts and the cap back in. All right, guys, that's it. That's how you add grease to the steering box on these old Ford cars. This should work on Falcons and Galaxies and stuff like that, so you should be good there. You want to be careful. This thing is kind of a messy setup, and I got grease all over the place, and I ended up cutting a lot of that out because it was making such a big mess. So just be careful on that. The next thing you'll want to do is take the car out for a drive and make sure your steering box is smooth. Everything should be fine. I obviously can't do that with the motor missing here, but you guys should be able to do that. And also, again, you can do this with the motor in the car. I just took advantage of the downtime here and did this. And in fact, I used quite a bit of grease in the steering box. I don't know the last time this thing had been serviced, so just be mindful on yours. It might take quite a bit, but that's good. That's what we want. We want grease in there. So guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you subscribe, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out, and we'll see you in the next one.